Yo, I'm sitting here thinking about shit, you know, telling these niggas just to get over it. And for my style niggas know I'ma get on it. And if you niggas want the shit, then get over it. I am the youngest motherfucker, get over it. Get over it. Get over it. I am 19, but I'm nice as fuck. Murking these niggas like Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. I'm the all-star up in this thing, and if you fucking with a nigga, you get shot. Full tank, no blanks, no shotties. Niggas thinking they robbing. I swear to God on the best, but my niggas be stay mobbing. Murking niggas with all precautions. Rick Ross takes that money, I'm 8 ballin'. Y'all niggas thinking that you're not niggas to stop it. With this nigga here with my guns, Detroit poppin'. Y'all don't understand, but I got the niggas synopsis, my shit's real. But yet these niggas cock blocking. With this nigga here, so I tell him to get over it. Young nigga in the game, kill it for the moment. Now I'm here for life. Nigga think twice, and if you fucking with a nigga, get over this shit, alright, get over it. Tell these niggas get over it. And if it's Young V in the game, you know who it is. A young nigga killing balls just on his kid. Just on his kids. I tell them this. Young V up in this bitch, get over it. And any nigga want the clip, you get over it. And I'm the hottest nigga here, so get over it. Get over it. Get over it. I tell these niggas how to flip it. The young niggas in the game, but believe I stay tripping. Straight shots of Patron, niggas with it. Y'all don't understand my balls, but my balls are something killer. Nigga, I could kill her. Hottest nigga in the game like Drake, I'm that nigga. Niggas don't understand, I'm taking over September. It's October, but I'm ready for December and November. But these niggas thinking they hot shit. I'm the realest nigga in the game, bitch, stop it. Hottest nigga here, so I'm never caught blocking. Always coming in my own lane with a hot whip. Tell these motherfuckers get over it. And I'm the niggas that, man. But y'all niggas don't understand that I'm on to this. I'm on to this, so get over it. A young nigga in the game in this moment, shit. And if you want the hollow tips, you on with this. Hottest nigga in the game is the beam light. Special for these fucking lands, so get over it. It's Young V in the game, get over it. I'm 19, so I'm saying get over it. And yeah, I'm taking off the game, get over it. Get over it, get over it. Like Drake said, nigga, get over it. Cause all these niggas hate the fact that I'm on to this. And if you hating on the nigga, get over it. Get over it. For I fuck you shit. Up in the game, the hating young nigga here, but I swear to God, I'm amazing. Paint a vivid picture, my shit is something that's Cajun. I swear to God, on the best, and I flip it like it's a brick, bitch. Fully automatic semis. Y'all don't understand, but y'all niggas thinking I'm silly. 19 years old, but I'm deranged like Hobson. Stop it. I got Trey Files that are rock shit. Like I tell these fuck niggas, get over it. Young V, get over it. It's a young nigga in the game, you know what it is. You know what it is. Get over it. Fuck with the kid, get over it. It's Young V, nigga, listen, get over it. I'm on that trap or die shit, get over it. Get over it. Get over it. Yeah. It's V. I tell them to get over it. Fuck these niggas, man. They better get over this shit before they get hit with it. Man, it's Young V. This gonna be my album right here, The Return of V Part 3. Yeah. Turn up.